Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making Kadai Paneer Biryani. I got this friend from my colleague. She mentioned she made a Paneer Biryani. So last time I enjoyed Kadai Paneer, so why not make Kadai Paneer? Before I start, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Vikas Kearney. I'm a software professional. I do cooking for fun. And I believe every software professional should cook because cooking gives you control how healthy you can cook. Also, you decide what to eat. Let's start uh, cutting our stuff. Paneer Kadai Biryani. Imagine the smoky flavors of Kadai Paneer combined with fragrant biryani rice. That, yes, this is comfort food level 100. If you love biryani but want a vegetarian twist that doesn't compromise on flavor, this recipe is for you. Stay till the end. I will share tricks to get restaurant style kind of taste. So right now I'm cutting the paneer into small dices. As I say in other videos, it's very critical to cut vegetables in equal size so that they will be cooked evenly. Otherwise, they will not cook evenly. So I have 3 onions and I'm going to cut the onions into slices. And we garnish our ultimate biryani with the onion barista. So I am going to use 3 onions and small portion of onion I will be taking it for barista. So Paneer Kadai Biryani is not a traditional classic. It is a modern fusion born in restaurant kitchens where chefs combine Kadai Paneer gravy with biryani layering. So we need paneer, onions, tomatoes, capsicum, spices, basmati rice and whole aromatics. Biryani originally traveled from Persia to India during Mughal times, and every region in India has its own version of biryani. So I am cutting an onion into the slices, cleaning, taking away the skin, peeling the skin. As I told you that kadai paneer biryani is not that common. I'm going to wash the onions. Initially, the taste looked okay, but as I kept it refrigerated for a couple of days, after 1 2 day, it really tasted very great. So I'm going to use beer claw to make sure I don't hurt my fingers and I can cut into small slices. Last slice is difficult. Just be careful. So again I'm using beer claw to cut onion into small dices. Sorry, slices, not dices for biryani. One thing, like when you're cutting into slices, I find like cut the roots so they spread evenly in the oven. Tears are coming out my eyes. My parents used to tell that cutting onion is a very good way of cleaning eyes. I don't know that is medically correct or right or wrong. That's how my parents used to motivate us to cut our onions. help them cooking by cutting onions. Now I'm cutting tomatoes into dices. We are going to make tomato puree, so I'm just cutting into little bigger pieces so that it's easy to make a puree of tomatoes. Okay, capsicum, let's cut the bigger portions, they are difficult to cook. And then let's clean the seeds. So I'm going to cut onion using bear claw into small slices. Let's cut the garlic. I have garlic paste, but I love to use real garlic. I believe it adds more taste to our biryani, our food. Okay, now I'm peeling the garlic and then I'm going to cut into slices and chop them into smaller pieces. Now we are going to build the heart of dish, Kadai Paneer Masala. So I'm going to add some oil. I am adding mustard oil. You can add oil of your choice. I put little bit butter also to my oil for the taste. So I am adding onion. Stir your onion so they mix with the oil very well. and that will help them to get fried nicely. Be patient, as I like said, you should cut cheese so that they are spread evenly. So once they are golden, you are ready for your next step. So at this point I put all the masalas, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, garam masala, salt. So here I'm adding my tomato puree. I added the kadai masala which I crushed inside in a mixer. I'm going to let it cook for a couple of minutes till the capsicum is little bit soft. Kadai cooking uses high heat and a concave pan which intensifies spice aroma. That is why restaurant kadai dishes taste smoky. So here I'm adding cheese. So cheese is considered a very precious stuff. It's expensive in India. Whenever some special guest or special event, we generally cook paneer. Every Indian kitchen has a spice story. Some spices are inherited, some gifted, some discovered during travel. So people collect spices wherever they go. Now I'm adding yogurt slowly by slowly. So it time has come to put the layering of rice. I have cooked rice in rice cooker. Rice should be 80% cooked. In paneer biryani, it is little bit different than other biryanis. In this, we first put a layer of rice down, and then we're gonna add our our paneer, paneer kadai masala on the top of that. So it's going to be sandwiched between two layers of rice. So now we are going to garnish it with mint, coriander leaves, and also with ghee and desi ghee, and also a little bit milk with uh, saffron in it. So here I'm putting the desi ghee. Then I added milk with saffron. I am adding a layer of onion brista, sprinkling onion brista on the top of the rice. So I am adding mint and coriander leaves on the top. At the same time, I'm making shorts for YouTube video. So now I am going to seal it with a foil sheet. And then the trick is you turn on the high heat for 5 minutes and keep it low for 20 minutes. And after that, your amazing, yummy Paneer Kadai Biryani is ready. So friends, if you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. The focus of this channel is how to try to make your food healthy, use less oil and more nutritious, use good cooking, modern cooking practices, how to automate your cooking. So here this is how our biryani looks like ultimately. It's ready to be eaten. Thanks for watching.